Hello everybody, my name is Khaled Siddiqui, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix your remote control, any remote control, TV, VCR, DVD, amplifier, how to fix it when the buttons get sticky and they don't work, why it happens and what's the solution. So let's start the repair session. So first, how to tell if your remote is actually the output is working in the LED is infrared LED is functioning. You simply press any button and look for this light to flash with a camera. Naked eyes cannot see that. Remember that. Naked eyes will not be able to see this, human eyes, but cameras like camcorders will be able to see. Sometimes phones will be able to see too. Let me take my iPhone and see if the phone will be able to see that. Let's find out. So I have it on the phone. See, the phone doesn't see it. You can see it. Let me come this way here. You could see it on the actual remote, but not on the phone. So you have to use a camcorder, like I'm using a Sony camcorder, which can see and tells me if it's working. So see, the DVD, this is a DVD, is not working. The Blueray, this one is a Blueray button, is working. So the DVD is not working. The power, let's see the power. The power is completely bad. It's not working at all. So these are the things that you need to know how to test. So now let's take this puppy apart and fix the problem. Okay. First thing you need to do is take out the batteries. You gotta take out the batteries. You have one screw right there. Now each remote's different. Usually the screws are here. In some cases the screws are here and here. Some of them don't have any screws. They're simply snap lock together, snap in together. So you have to see which type of remote you have. This is for a Denon RC1166, and these are so expensive to replace. I mean, it's not a cheap remote that I could go ahead and buy another one. So let's see. Okay, so let me put this aside. Okay, now once you have taken the screw out, this is snapped in together. So you could, with your fingers, that's why my nails are long, because I should be able to snap it open like this. Like that, but it's not always so easy. This one was relatively easy. If it wasn't easy, you could take a knife or something to that nature, and you could simply put it like here and open it like that. Like that. Okay, now let's see what the problem is. So what you need to do is take a alcohol wipe and clean all the buttons, because the oils from your hands that get onto these things will lead this for not to work. Clean all of these with oil, I mean with the alcohol wipes, and then clean all of these with alcohol wipes. Okay, so that's what you need to do. So I have an alcohol spray, which is a sprayer of alcohol, which I'm going to spray on a piece of cloth like this puppy, and I'm going to rub it and clean it. So there, it looks nice and clean. Now I'm gonna clean this side. Make sure not to use acetone, because acetone will remove the carbon layer on these buttons, which will completely disable the remote control. Okay, so do not use acetone. Now we are going to put it back in. Nice and easily. Reassemble the puppy. Snap this one back in place. Make sure when you put this in, make sure that these two terminals will go through these slots. Like that. They must go through the slots. Now we will put our screw back in. Let's put the screw back in. There's our screw. Nice and neat. One battery. The second battery. Snap in the cover. This one is broken on the edge, but you know, still works. Now let's test it. Volume works like a charm. DVD works like a charm. Blu-ray works like a charm. Everything works. And even the power button works. All of it works. Oh, volume up and down. Volume down. Both work. These buttons we never use, so they usually don't. The ones that you use the most gets oily and dirty and inside, and the ones that you never use will of course work. So everything works great on this. The surgery was successful, and that's how you do it. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.